Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by applying essentials. Update the console and game patches so background processes don't spike CPU. Once done, free at least 20% of storage. Low space forces slower I/O and stutters. You should also switch power mode to performance and schedule updates for off hours to avoid downloads while gaming. While you do these, close background apps and clear temp captures. These first actions reduce resource contention and stabilize frame delivery, giving you a cleaner baseline before deeper tweaks. You now tackle sustained performance. Manage thermals by positioning the Series X vertically with 4 to 6 inches of clearance and keeping vents unobstructed so the fan can do its job. Next, move demanding titles to the NVMe expansion card or a USB 3.1 SSD. Faster storage cuts load times and texture pop-in. Finally, lock down your connection. Prefer wired Ethernet or a clean 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel and enable Co-S to prioritize gaming traffic. Together, these steps prevent throttling and reduce input lag. You finish by balancing visuals and stability. Lower in-game graphics targets if you need consistent 60 frames per second rather than spiky higher numbers. Once settings are applied, rebuild the console cache by fully powering down and unplugging for 10 seconds before restarting. This clears transient issues. If problems persist, swap HDMI cable and display to rule out external causes. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up profiles and saves. If performance still fails, check for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.